If you're looking for affiliate marketing programs with mentors included in there, I'm going to show you probably the number one community in the world when it comes to affiliate marketing. If you don't know me, I'm the real Robin Williams. Welcome to this video. And before I get into showing you a quick overview of this company, one of the things that I like to point out is that the fact that you even possibly looked up having a mentor with your affiliate marketing business is crucial. And it tells me that you pretty much understand the value of having a mentor. And I like to say that a mentor has a bird's eye view of things that maybe people below them, not necessarily beneath them as a person, but pretty much below them as maybe not having as much experience, maybe not having as much success and things like that. Those people that are below their mentors, they might not be able to see the bigger picture. They might be able to see just a small picture of their experience, their success, whatever it is that they've been through in this affiliate marketing industry. They're only able to see a small fraction of the big picture, whereas a mentor who has had success, higher success, maybe a lot of success, or maybe just more success than the person below them, they have a bigger view, a bird's eye view. And it's important that you understand that, which you probably do if you're looking for a mentor. But it's important to have that inside of your company, because it's somebody that could just say, hey, I've been here where you've been at. Don't open that door. You might get hurt. You might want to go through this door. And they might tell you to go through this door and still be real with you. That door may not be a perfect line to success. Most people is not. Most things that you are going to do online is not going to be that perfect, straightforward shot to success. And it's cool for a mentor to tell you the truth. It's not going to be all glory and money flowing to you. But what I can say about having a mentor versus not having a mentor is that the line to get to success, whether it's zigzag or knotted up or whatever, that line or that time frame to get to success will be a lot shorter than it will be you doing it on your own. It's extremely important to just take that process and tap into things that mentors are already doing, they're currently doing, or they've done in the pretty recent past. I say pretty recent past because I've seen a lot of mentors who had success in the industry. They come out and they try to teach people old strategies, and we don't need no old strategies. But let me jump right into this review of this company that I truly believe in. It's called the Home Business Academy. If you haven't heard of it, it's been around for over 8 years, going on 9 years now. It's been co-founded by Paul Hutchins and Mike Hobbs, and they have been doing a magnificent job with getting this company up and running, increasing the value in this company every single day, and just being there for us with our pay, being there for us for our training, resources, advice, mentorship, coaching, and also helping us develop a great community to where we have other 6- and 7-figure mentors inside of this community that are able to guide us on what it is that we need to do in order to get success in our businesses. For me personally, how this company and community and mentorship has helped me was simply because I first tapped into their system. The structure of things is their training. And to me, I think that's extremely important, because if you look at mentorship and the cost of coaching and things like that, it can get extremely expensive. And they put it in a way to where it's affordable for a lot of people, to where they can tap into this mentorship without breaking the bank. And I'll go over that shortly on how you can get access. But ultimately, I'm able to go and step into the mind of Mike and Paul simply by going through the training. One of our first things that we tell people to do outside of basic setups of an affiliate business is we tell them to go to the premium traffic and conversions training. And in here, you will have already done for you training. It'll be step-by-step training on how we do marketing. And I believe that's important, because when you show up to our masterminds where you can get more mentorship and coaching, this is where the thing that you already went through as far as the training, it can come to life a little bit more. It can get clarified for you if you start asking questions, and still be able to ask questions right there within our mastermind. We have our mastermind. If you get this product, we have our masterminds 5 days a week, really 6 days a week. We have a Monday night and we have morning mastermind 5 days a week. You'll be able to get access to that and ask your questions. That is our mentorship program. We do have other products, but for the purpose of keeping this video short, I just want to focus on that, being able to tap into the training and then getting the mentorship and the coaching that you need with our live trainings. And the cool thing is, if you can't make these live trainings, we do have a process on the page. When you go to the page, you'll be able to tap into the mastermind anyway through the recorded videos that we record for you. And we'll also have a place for you to submit your questions if you can't show up live. So that's important too. We do also have a Facebook group to where you can go in here and ask questions. It is an active Facebook group. I can't tell you how many companies I've seen have these Facebook groups for their affiliate companies, and 2 years later it's crickets, is gone. And I'm talking about big company names too. It's just getting ridiculous, but this community is here to stay and is very active, and it has been active for the last 8 years. We have different people asking questions, and as you can see, they get the answers. We have this is a fairly new question. I'll probably be answering that, or someone will answer that pretty shortly. But ultimately, we have different questions that people are asking in here, and they are getting their answers. So sometimes you might even see motivational stuff. It's a great community to be a part of. But ultimately, you don't see this in a lot of companies, where if you look at this one, this guy is asking about training. I think his name is Eamon, if I'm saying that correctly. And Mike Hobbs, which is one of the co-founders, is actually sitting there answering a question for him or helping him with it. He's referring him back to training, and I guess the guy is saying he did the training, but Mike went above and beyond and did a video on the error that he found. I don't see a lot of companies where the co-founders or owners actually start opening up the pages of folks to say what is going on if this person is having trouble. That gives you a little bit of help, coaching, mentorship, so that you can push forward with your marketing. We don't just leave you in the dust. And then it's not only the co-founders that are helping you, it's a whole bunch of people that are helping you and mentoring you along the way. And I believe that this training is going to help you if you're looking for affiliate marketing around the organic marketing realm. I love Facebook and YouTube. Those are my favorite, but if you want to do shorts and things like that, you can also tap into this training. But I'm going to show you how to get access to this training if you want to learn more. Not the training, but I'm going to show you how to get access to the actual video so you can learn more. And if you want access to the training, I'm going to go over that too. But at the top of the description of this video, it's going to be a link to this capture page. You just click on that, enter your name and email, submit it. It's going to email you over the information. And then you'll be able to get access to this video that just explains a little bit more about this company, the product, and specifically this package. I chose this package because we don't just have the premium training and coaching package. We have other products that you want to take advantage of, if I were you. And also we have a way for you to get access to that coaching for free today. You'll be able to pay to get inside of the system, but you'll be able to get access to the training for free for 2 weeks on a trial. Once you get this video, you want to pretty much watch the video. If it resonates with you, you can click any of the green buttons here and it'll take you over to the checkout page. That checkout page will be the regular stuff. You should see my face and my name, and you'll be able to put in your credit card information in there. And here is where I want to stress the importance of getting your 2-week free trial premium, because it costs you nothing extra. One, that's the first reason. And two, you're going to need that training in order to get people to your links. You want to make sure that you check this along the way. In 2 weeks, they will charge you $125. You can cancel before, even though I tell people keep it because it is top-notch training. And then you'll also get access to my bonuses as well. I'll have a bonus website pretty much sent to you. You'll see the registration come in once you sign up, and according to your bonus level will determine which bonuses you give. But ultimately, I try to give the most value possible with all of my bonuses, and this is to enhance the already amazing products that we have inside of the system. I can go on and on about the HBA and how it has helped me with my journey. And I should have told you, literally went from hardly getting any sales in my business to getting consistent sales online using Facebook and YouTube and emails. I also get sales in emails as well. And I definitely recommend this for anyone who's wanting to grow their income. And obviously you want to keep your income too. Like I said, this company will help you do that, or this community will help you do that as well. And I will see you on the top. Just check out the link at the top of the description, and I'll see you on the inside.